Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a directory in a WordPress website and how to also install a WordPress on a directory. Okay, so I'll be showing you everything you need to know about a directory and how to also install a WordPress. Alright, so without me wasting much of our time, if you are coming for the first time to my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get update on our subsequent videos. Okay, so let's dive into the system. Now, to create a directory, you need a cPanel. Right, so first of all, let me just go to my cPanel. Right, so let me go to my cPanel. Let me go to, okay, let me just go to this cPanel. All right, so once you get your domain name and hosting from any of the web hosting company out there, all right, so you want to purchase it, you'll be sent a cPanel details where you will be able to log in. Like for this particular site now, this is cPanel. I'll log in. Alright, so that is the first process. You need to log into the cPanel. Like this particular video now, you log into the cPanel. So the moment you are here, you scroll down to where you have your WordPress. You can see your WordPress here. So this process is for you in case maybe you don't want to install a WordPress on already existing website. I don't know how to go about it. Maybe for instance, a client contacts you and say, okay, can I see a sample of a particular job you are trying to replicate out there? So instead of cracking your head on how to create a sample, you can easily create a directory. Alright, you can easily create a directory. A directory is like a folder where you can build a website and showcase to your client as a sample. Alright, so once you come over to this place now, you can see it come to your WordPress. Right, then you scroll down, you see install. You click on install. Now this is where you create your directory. Right, a site is already on this particular domain. Right, I won't want to interfere with that rather. So if you come to this place now, you can create a directory. Right, a directory can be any name. You can want to create a blog, you want to create e-commerce sample, you want to create a real estate sample, and so many other samples like that. So you can create a directory. For instance, I want to do this now. I can just say test. Right, that will be my directory. Then I will come down here. I just have all my information. Okay, I have all my information there. Then quickly just do this. Alright, so then once you are done with that, you can just decide to leave every other thing here. Alright, so once this is the major point I'm pointing you to, this major place I'm letting you know this particular aspect, that's where you create your directory. Then you come down, and this same process also follow if you are trying to install a WordPress on your site. Okay, make sure your protocol is chosen to be HTTPS. With this now, it means that the SSL is active. You can see this particular place that has this small padlock. So once it is in this particular format, it means that the SSL is active. Okay, so you do that. Once you are done installing, you can see these are plugins that you might necessarily need if you want to, like this particular one, this Speedy Catchy. It helps to improve the page speed. Right, guys, you can select that. Then there's another plugin I will show you by the time I'm done installing. Right, so you put in your username, you put in your password, you can leave every other aspect. Alright, so you do that and you scroll down to where you have install now. Alright, click on install now. Right, just wait for a few minutes for it to install. Alright, so let's just wait. Alright, you can see that the installation is done successfully. So once you install any WordPress on any directory or a domain, this is the two links you get. The first one is the front end. If you click on it now, this is what you get on the front end. While the second link is the back end where you do the work. Alright, so you can see it will take you straight to the back end. Now look at the link. You can see that the domain name slash the text there is the directory. Alright, the text there is the directory. Can you see the back end now? So with this now, you can have it in such a way that it will not interfere with your domain. Right, it will not interfere with your domain. Now there's a particular plugin I would like you to always install once you install a WordPress on your site. The plugin, let me show you. Before I install the plugin, let me show you the function of that plugin. Now let's say for instance I want to create a new page. I come here and I click on add new, click on add new page, click on add new page. So can you see Can you see the way the site looks? It doesn't make sense, and it's not well presentable. All right, so you can see that the doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. So what you do is go back to your WordPress. Go back to your WordPress and come to plugin. And now if you want to install a new plugin, you come to plugin and you click on add new. All right, click on add new. This is the plugin called Classic Editor. Always install this Classic Editor on your site. For every WordPress you install on your domain or your directory, always install this. It will help to organize your pages and your posts. I click on it now. All right, so as I click on it, you allow it to load and you activate. All right, so basically there are two ways in which you can install a plugin. Is either you click on once you click on add new here, let me do it again so I can show you what I'm saying. If you click on add new, you can search for it with the help of this search bar. In case it is not there, you can download it somewhere and upload it from your system. All right, you upload from your system and you activate. Now let me show you what I just did. I come over to pages now and I click on add new. Can you see the way it is now? This is quite different from what you had before. Right, you can see it now. So you can put your page, do your test, and every other thing. All right, so that is how you create a directory, and that is how you install a WordPress website. Okay, hope you got value from this particular video. Do well to always check for new updates. I tell you, you are always going to get value whenever you come to my channel. Thank you guys for staying. See you in my next video.